These are LittleBits, and the LittleBits are an electronics kit that you can use to make things. I'm going to make something here. This is a battery, and on the end of the battery I'm going to place this little bit, which allows me to supply power. Now you'll notice that they've got little magnets here, and that's so that I can actually try and connect things up. And so I'm going to connect up here a switch so I can turn my circuit on and off. So let's switch on my power. But I want something to happen here, so I'm going to make a torch. And if you have a look at my torch here, I've got an LED, and you can read in small writing here the words bright LED. Now let's turn my torch on. Time to look for something. And that's my LittleBit torch.